Welcome, today I am with HUAWEI Nova 9 and I will make this fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable. So we can find fingerprint sensor on the screen and let's start the test. Okay, so as you can see, the sensor is reliable, it's fast, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.